This entire commercial, the lighting, the steam, the slow motion pour, the hero shot at the end, started as a text document. No camera, no studio, no product shoot, just a written brief and one AI tool called Flova. I'm going to show you the whole process, brief to finished commercial, start to finish. Quick context, Flova is an AI video agent. You give it a goal and context, and it plans and produces the video with you. Script, storyboard, shots, generation, timeline. Today's test, how far can it actually take a real product brief on its own toward a finished commercial? Here's the product, Solist, a stainless steel pour-over coffee dripper from a small home goods brand called North Bloom Home. All I have is this one flat product photo. The goal today isn't a quick social ad, it's a proper cinematic commercial, the kind of moody, brand-forward spot you'd normally need a director and a location for. This is the part that matters most for this video, the brief itself. Instead of jumping straight to generating images, I write out the real creative brief inside a project document, and I'll show you exactly what's in mine. The prompt includes product description, key benefit, target audience, brand tone, CTA, and platform or format. Based on this brief, I've asked the Flova agent to propose a shot-by-shot storyboard for a 25-30-second cinematic commercial. That's it. Benefit, audience, tone, CTA, and format, all in one place. This document isn't just notes for me. Flova's agent actually reads and uses this throughout planning, so every creative choice downstream gets checked against it. I have provided the prompt in description also. Let it generate its own storyboard first. From that brief alone, Flova generates images and a shot-by-shot storyboard, and what genuinely surprised me, that it pauses and asks you to review or make any edits before proceeding to the next step. That's a real commercial structure, not just, here's an image of the product. Before anything generates, I get a prompt draft for each shot, exact scene description, product placement, lighting, camera movement, all visible, and generates all the reference images that are editable. Here's the first pass, shots generated and dropped onto the timeline in order. Let's watch the generated video. Here's what the storyboard alone gave me. The agent read my brief and built this shot sequence on its own. Steam, pour, hands on the mug, hero shot, end card. No manual shot-by-shot direction from me yet. This is just the agent's first read of the brief.
Next, I will guide the agent to create specific customized shots, and we will compare it against what the agent proposed on its own. The process is same. After pasting my shots in the prompt area, the Flova starts producing the commercial, and as usual, again asks me for a review, and once I approve it, it finalizes the video. After the completion, I will export it to local drive, and let's compare both of them. Here's the real difference between these two. The storyboard version, Flova planned on its own. This version, I wrote out every shot myself, full descriptions for all 5 shots, and gave them to Flova together in one go. Same brief, but a lot more of my own direction baked into each shot. Now let's explore Flova's canvas mode. In canvas mode, I can see everything at once. The original brief, the storyboard, every generated shot, and how they connect. Since a commercial like this often needs a second cut for a different placement, say a shorter 15-second version for social, I generate an alternate cut from the same shots and brief, just repaste and trimmed for a faster platform. So let's watch this shorter version. Same shots, same brief, but built by seeing everything at once. The brief, the storyboard, every generated shot laid out together. That's also where I pulled a second, shorter cut out of the same footage without rebuilding anything from scratch. Once this commercial is locked, I save the product asset and the visual style, that warm morning light look, to the asset library. North Bloom Home sells more than one product, so next time it's a different item from the same brand. I'm not rebuilding this look from scratch. I can even save this whole brief-to-commercial process as an asset, so the next commercial follows the same playbook automatically.
So, one written brief, no camera, no studio, and Flova produced a full cinematic commercial, plus a shorter social cut, with a real review step at every stage: the brief, the prompt, the shots, the final cut. If you've got a product and a clear brief but not the budget for a full production, this is worth trying. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.